How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Have you ever wondered if someone's been using your Instagram account without your permission? Whether you're just curious or worried about your privacy, today I'm going to show you exactly how to check if someone is accessing your account. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account if you already haven't logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap on three horizontal lines to open your settings and activity. Now, simply go to Account Center. Here, scroll down and find Security. Now, it's in Password and Security. Now here, tap on Login Activity. As you can see, only one device has been connected with my account. That's meant only I have access to this account. But if you see various devices and location where you cannot recognize it, and if you notice any devices that you don't recognize, it's a good sign that someone else may have accessed your account. Simply log out of any suspicious activity or suspicious device. Just tap on log out next to the device you want to remove access from. Just tap on it and click on log out. And you can also see the date and time whenever they're logged into the account. Now, if you want to make sure that no one enters or simply log into your device, you can simply change password, and also make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. And that's it. You've now learned how to check if someone is using your Instagram account and take action to protect your privacy.